asleep, TK3.
That's dramatic.
You can't put me in the group and say I'm a member and then ignore my ideals and my image. That's not okay. I'm banning you. I'm unstanding you. I'm not a fan anymore. Like, anything else that rhymes that's negative, it's going in there. Like, yeah, that's how I feel.
This motherfucker scheming hands on my cup.
Really?
You better get.
TK3. Oh my god, TK3.
TK3, bitch.
TK3. TK3.
Taylor and I are at Brewer's wrecking these sandwiches because they're so fucking good. It's like, what, a club sandwich with like turkey, ham, lettuce, bacon, tomatoes, and it's like really good sriracha mayo. And I'm not even like really into sriracha, but it's so good.
You're not into mayo.
I'm not into mayo either. Like, wow, that's wild.
They got you.
They really did. Got myself an iced mocha with hazelnut syrup and an extra shot of espresso. Because I always need to be like on edge. Taylor got herself latte, caramel, vanilla. Slurping it up.
Happening to me.
Slurping it up. On camera. We can edit it out, but we probably won't.
Mom, how's your coffee?
How's your coffee, Mom?
Sweet.
Is it? You got caramel. Caramel's sweet. Be safe. Fuck out of here. We don't promote free meals. Scheming hands?
Yes. You've been scheming.
You know what? I think I did, and I was like, I'm just gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna take my lip off so it doesn't get like frazzled and like messed up and like rubbing on the sheets and stuff. And when I say I even tried to like, I was half off the bed because I wasn't trying to fall asleep.
Nah.
In the bed.
Yeah,
I don't
you were dead ass in the bed. I mean, you were sideways, like your head was by the lights, but like you was in the bed. You was wrapped up, tucked in.
I don't even, I don't remember it. I just remember being like, I'm gonna get home and try and stay up and wait for Taylor. And I got home and I like fell asleep in the bed apparently. Maybe I was doing shit, maybe I wasn't. I remember waking up to Kyra being my speech. And I was like, why she played me like this? How'd I get played?
Stare back. Intimidate them.
I'm not an intimidating person. I'm just a very small being.
You mean like Minyunki? Because he's small and he thinks he's intimidating, but he's not.
He really does.
Like, he's just a tsundere ass nigga. He
is.
tries to go hard, but you know, he's just real sweet, bringing blankets out to people when they're cold.
Coming home to spend time with the members, and they ain't got nobody to stay with.
Encouraging them, just being kind. Small and kind, just like you. Sometimes has an angry face, but really sweet, just like you.
So, we are finally at the James River after driving around for like 20 to half an hour
Time.
trying to find our way to get here. But we are now here. Now entering Bikini Bottom. We're taking Bell's Isle North Bank Trail, and then there's Buttermilk East Flood Wood Trail. Oh, stink bug landed right in your hair. Yeah. Sue nature. The river is like extra high and extra brown today because it rained so much. Do you? Okay, BTS.
Yes. I love it.
We're gonna get on the BTS train. It's a Southern. I'm a Southerner. Let's do it. God bless y'all real good. I'm glad we're on the same page. I wanna get in those Russian waters. Go for me, God. Go for me, God. Go for me, God.
Ocean, yeah. Come get with me. I'll be swimming in you, swimming in you, swimming in you, swimming in you.
Parkour. Parkour, Nom. Taylor's going up trees and shit. She a bitch. Huh. Trying to do some nature shit. What? No! Parkour, Nom. Sticks. Nature.
I'm sick of it. The harassment.
I couldn't believe, but now I'm so high, and now that it's over, I'll never be sober. I couldn't believe, but now I'm so high, but now I'm so high, but now I'm so high, but now I'm so high. What's your problem?
Taylor and I are here at the James River after it took us like half an hour to get down here because there were no entrances. They were all secret, hidden, like it was Harry Potter shit. And we had to like unlock the codes and get down cord across these rocks, and we have made it to this ledge, and we're just chilling. You know, parkour all day, every day. You know, river style, bitch. Little sister and mom in the cut, chilling. It's a beautiful day. It's rained all week, like crazy rain, like thunderstorms, hail, like 15 miles per hour winds. Yeah, knocked out the power at my job, but it's all good now. Nature's calmed down. She's taking a breather and so are we. Hi, how are you? I respect you, nature. It's good.
If you just give it a chance, loving you is not my plan. Cause I know one day you'll see all the things that we can be. Oh, I know